Have you ever wanted your text to pop with two colors in Canva but didn't know how? Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Two-color text isn't just eye-catching, it can completely transform your designs, making them look professional and unique. The easiest way to create this effect is by using apps like Typecraft or Type Gradient, both of which integrate seamlessly with Canva. Let's start with Typecraft. This app allows you to customize your text in creative ways, including duotone styles. Simply choose your text, select the duotone style you like, and pick your two colors. The app automatically applies the effect, giving your text a stunning two-tone look without any complicated steps. If you want a slightly different effect, try Type Gradient. This app lets you add split colors directly to your text. You can choose where each color starts and ends, creating a smooth gradient or a sharp two-color division. Adjusting the gradient direction or color combination can completely change the vibe of your text, making it perfect for banners, social media posts, or thumbnails. Once you've applied the effect, you can further tweak the size, font, and positioning to match your overall design. It's quick, fun, and will make your text stand out like never before. So next time you're designing in Canva, remember these tools. They're a game changer for creating two-color text that grabs attention. Try it out, experiment with different color combos, and watch your designs come alive.